There is a white spot on the parrot's beak. 2. The right feather is sticking out. 3. There is one extra line under the branch. Look at the picture. We can see a parrot. He is really bright colored. His beak is black. His crest is red. His wings are yellow. His body is blue. He is sitting on the branch. Probably it is the jungle.
If you want to learn to describe the pictures, contact us right away. The contact information is in the description of the video.